Check the base on this one, B. Looks like some scarring near the tip. Yeah, I see it. Let me log that. We still moving this pallet out?
Every piece starts its journey here. The transformation begins with water. Deep cleaning removes years of impurities. Precision begins with human eyes. Sterilized for perfection. Now, the real crafting begins.
Every cut must be perfect.
One wrong move, and it's ruined. Inside lies the real beauty. Shaping begins with precision.
Flawless, down to the micron.
Heat unlocks flexibility. Force transforms nature into design.
Machines cut. Humans perfect.
Rough becomes refined. Now, it begins to look like luxury. This is where transformation accelerates. Microscopic changes, massive impact. Even exposure ensures perfection. Now, it shines like luxury.
From raw to refined perfection. Luxury starts with precision design. Every millimeter matters.
Machine carve, perfection. Details define value.
Luxury must feel as good as it looks. Shape, guided by heat and skill.
Each part has its place.
Craftsmanship brings it to life. Now, it begins to look priceless. Layer by layer, brilliance emerges. A flawless reflection of craftsmanship.
Identity. Etched forever.
Luxury lies in the smallest details. Finished by human hands. Precision verified.
From raw horn to a masterpiece. Clean, controlled, and protected. Shielded from the outside world.
Presentation defines perception.
Placed like a treasure. Sealed for perfection.
Every product tracked and verified.
Ready for global travel. Built for the world market. From here, they go global. Now, the journey begins. Handled with precision. Heading across the country. Now, it goes global. Across oceans to the world. Innovation meets craftsmanship. Reaching every corner of the world. Subscribe for more factory stories.